on this class? We got to be a little bit loud so the microphone picks us up. All right, 5.3, multiply mixed numbers. Can we multiply mixed numbers?
Yeah.
All right, let's go through some of the stuff that we need to make sure we know. Factors. What do factors help us do? Reduce fractions, right? Okay. Mixed number has a whole number with what kind of part?
A fraction part.
Nice. Improper fractions, what's bigger, the numerator or the denominator?
Numerator.
Come on, more enthusiasm.
Numerator.
I don't care if we're bothering them. They just have to be quiet. You guys don't have to be quiet. All right, so improper fractions, numerator is bigger than the denominator. All right, number 5 says you must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving any type of math problem, okay? We're going to repeat this together on the count of 3. Together. 1, 2, 3.
You must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving.
That wasn't very good, but you must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving. Together means all of you together. 6, how do you multiply fractions? Go.
Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator.
Okay, you guys are really bad at being good. Can you, or when you're multiplying fractions, do you find common denominators? Yes or no?
No.
Absolutely not. It's against the law. Don't even think about it. So for number 8, it makes the problem actually pretty simple then, because what's 2 times 4?
8.
What's 3 times 5?
15.
You just multiply the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom, right?
Yeah.
If you have mixed numbers, can you multiply those?
No.
Absolutely not. So you must convert them into...
Improper.
So once you convert them to impropers, then again, we just do top times top and bottom times bottom, right?
Yeah.
Why is 45 over 12 unacceptable?
It's improper.
And so you convert improper fractions into mixed numbers by using what process?
Division.
Division. Should you simplify at the end?
Yes.
Is it actually better to simplify early?
Yeah.
Yeah, the earlier you simplify, the better. How about number 11? This is a mixed number here, right?
Yeah.
Can you simplify the fraction part of a mixed number?
Yeah.
So I can simplify 6 and 3/9 down to 6 and 1/3. They're the same thing. Because 3/9 is the same as 1/3, right?
Yeah.
Does it make your number smaller if you simplify early?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
It makes your number smaller. So do you want to simplify as early as possible?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then you're going to be dealing with smaller numbers. We okay?